keep running, hearts keep breaking. I keep writing songs about things that are out of my control, but I pretend they're not, and then wonder why the outcome's not what I planned for. Oh, 'cause lately I tend to answer with maybe, 'cause commitment seems so.
I saw you standing there and knew that I would be alright. 'Cause boy, you cut my feelings from the corner of my eye. You were always there to lend a hand, and I felt sick. But even on the rainy days, you never went away. You made it through the thick and thin. There's nothing you wouldn't do. Oh boy, I'm glad I held it out. I held it out for you. I held it out for you. And boy, we saw it through. There's nothing I wouldn't do for you.
Breakdowns ever since that day that you went and told me how it's just another game. How are you so cynical? I didn't know that you were just like them. When I look around me, everything is all the same. I won't never let this go. Wait until the final show, where I'm shedding all my clothes. Come and see me head to toe. Haven't been awake this long, but I'd rather just be gone. I'll need another wake-up call, or something that'll keep me moving on. I might try your meditation. Maybe that'll rid of all the stress. Come and see how everything just circles in the end.
好可怜啊！他们应该刚刚每个顾谈都超无聊的。主办单位。
Langsung aja Kak, terima kasih.
没有，这个是电视。多吃的。
应该不是水果吧？
keep breaking. I keep writing songs about things that are out of my control, but I pretend they're not, and then wonder why the outcome's not what I planned for. Oh, 'cause